Hey guys, so I just parked the car and I'm walking to the Oneplus 6 pop-up event in San Francisco. So we'll see how things go. Almost there, walking in. Is anyone using this one? Wow, this thing is very thin and light. I made it. Thank you. He helped me. Wow. This thing is extremely light. I wasn't expecting this.
Yeah. By the size, like it's a almost 6.3, right?
Are they gonna sell this one to general public or no?
Oh no, not in North America.
The Avengers.
Avengers is like a
special edition, right?
Exclusive special, yeah.
Why regular people never can get this type of?
I think it goes to contract.
YouTubers and things like that, they get it. But regular people, they can never get it.
I mean, that's.
I don't even know why.
They have the connections. No, but that's like due to contract and region. So this time, before like the Star Wars was Europe and India. This one is like China and India now.
Oh, they're not gonna sell it here in US?
No, no.
Oh, really?
The Avengers is just for China and India.
Yes, that's interesting.
Is this video ever gonna be in English? I did not change it. That is the root menu. I want to know when it's going to be in English, because I've reset my OnePlus 3 because it's in Chinese.
Oh, I saw some guys are playing English before.
I've actually dealt with that personally, so it's not me. I might have actually. Hey guys, so I just got back from the Oneplus 6 event, or the pop-up event in San Francisco. It was pretty cool, pretty fun. A lot of people, a lot of people. The line was crazy. I also get to meet a couple of the very famous YouTubers like Lou from Unbox Therapy and Justin from iJustine. And I also met Carl, co-founder of OnePlus. He was actually very awesome. I mean, all of them. They were very nice people. He was on the floor giving handshakes to people, and I did take selfies with all 3 of them. So you guys will see it soon. But that being said, so I got a gift basket, or I'm sorry, gift bag. So I'm not sure what's in it. Believe it or not, I haven't looked that up yet. So I'm gonna open it up right now, see what's inside, and then we go from there. I mean, obviously from the size, I could guess. I did do a quick peek, but let's see. Okay, very cool. I didn't take it out. This is the first time. So very nice backpack with OnePlus logo on it, of course. Not bad. No, wow, the quality is not bad either. I mean, for a freebie, come on. Nice job, guys. All right, let's see what else is inside. What is this? Oh, okay. So never settle. This is like a bag, tote bag. Well, could come handy for shopping. And let's see. Okay, I also got a T-shirt. That's nice. That's nice. Let's see what else. Oh, very cool. And I got my own hat. All right. Let's see. Oh wow, that's interesting. A free case. Not bad. I mean, these are pretty cool. I mean, gotta say, for being free, show me an event. Okay, let's see what else is in here. Bunch of stickers. Could come handy, you never know. And last but not least, they got this bad boy. So, this is the new OnePlus 6. This is actually this is my first OnePlus device, so I'm pretty excited to open it up. I'm going to do a quick unboxing, show you guys what comes inside, and then we go from there. But this is the 128 mirror black one. I wanted to get the matte black, but I think I was like 130th in the line, so by the time it got to me, it was all gone. So, but the phone looked nice. I seen it in person, and one thing I was very surprised is, I mean, the weight on this one. The phone is extremely light compared to like my S9 Plus or even my iPhone 10. For some reason, it's very light. So I'm very excited to open it up and go through it. And one thing that I haven't heard anyone mention when we asked them, and they said they confirmed it. This is a dual SIM phone, so you can have 2 different kinds of SIM cards, T-Mobile or AT&T at the same time, because it supports all the bands. But again, yeah, I'm very excited. It was a pretty fun event. It was pretty fun, pretty cool. And let me know if you guys have any questions or anything. I will probably, before or after this video, depends, I will also add some footage that we took at the event, so you guys have a better idea of what was going on. But it was pretty fun. It was pretty fun. I gotta say, I gotta give it to them. They did a great job at this event. Let's get this guy opened up and see what's inside. Let me tear this apart. This is challenging. Alright, there we go. Again, as I said, this is just going to be a quick unboxing. I'm just going to show you guys what comes inside. And whoa, look at that. Let's see if we can get you guys a better look. Alright, so we're going to look at the phone in a second. Okay, this is the glossy one, so we'll go through it. Alright, let's see what else comes inside. That's a pretty legit box. Wow, there's another case here. I got 2 cases now. Alright, let's see. Okay, so we got some brochure, SIM popper. And this is a nice case too. Alright, cool. We got the charger, the cable, and the dash charger. So that's pretty much it. This is all we get in the box. And here is this bad boy right here. I'm just gonna turn it on. Let's see. Hopefully it turns on. You better turn it on. or it could be dead. And it also has, I don't know if you guys can see it, by the way, it also comes with a screen protector pre-installed already, which is cool. But it's not turning on. So I'll plug it in. Oh, actually, no, wait a minute. There we go. I wasn't holding it long enough. Oneplus. Look at that. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching. I would love it if you subscribe. I'm going to probably post more videos about anything electronic, gadgets, whatever, you name it. It's going to be there. And if you liked it, it'll be great if you push that like button right in there somewhere on the bottom. Thank you. Have a good one.